ECOJET. Imagine stepping into your backyard on a scorching day, finding a comfy spot, and feeling an instant refreshing breeze. That's the magic of the ECOJET. This clever device is far from your average fan. Depending on the model, it can cool spaces from 800 to 2,800 square feet. But it doesn't just push air around. It's a hybrid wonder that combines airflow with ultrafine water mist to absorb heat, effectively lowering the temperature of your entire area. Whether you're cooling off solo or setting the perfect vibe for a summer gathering, the ECOJET has you covered. Prices start at $1,748 for the smallest model, going up to $2,349 for the most powerful. Who knew staying cool could be this stylish? Meet Paul Robinson, the mastermind behind a game-changing invention, a multi-directional steel bracket. Imagine you're out in the garden, tending to your beloved plants. Suddenly, dark clouds roll in. No worries. Thanks to Paul's clever bracket, you can easily create a protective roof over your garden beds with just a simple frame and some polyethylene. The best part? With one swift motion, you can open or close the roof, giving your plants the perfect balance of protection and sunlight. It's like giving your plants their very own weather control system. Gates usually don't turn heads, but Fang Gate is an exception. This isn't just any gate. It's a stunning work of art that's both functional and beautiful. Watching these gates in motion gracefully transitioning from open to closed is truly captivating. They're also space-savvy when folded. They take up minimal room, giving you more space to enjoy. It's a perfect fusion of elegance and practicality, ideal for anyone wanting to add a touch of sophistication to their home without compromising on functionality. Bailey's innovative water tanks are designed with a twist, literally. These tanks are flattened to fit snugly under existing decks. Picture this. Your backyard is beautifully organized, and the last thing you want is a bulky tank ruining the view. Bailey's tanks stay out of sight, hidden under the deck, making them not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Plus, with two sizes to choose from, you can find the perfect fit for your water storage needs without sacrificing any outdoor space. Kitchen box. Ever dreamt of having a full kitchen in your backyard without all the hassle? Meet the kitchen box, a compact portable kitchen perfect for camping or any outdoor adventure. It comes with everything you need: a stove, chairs, a table, utensils, and even a cutting board. There's even a windshield, which you don't always get with bigger setups. Despite its small size, the kitchen box is tough, built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. And the best part? It all packs up into a box that's easy to move around. All this convenience for just $628. Now that's a deal. After a decade of dedicated research, the folks at WagTech introduced MONJOLIN, a rainwater pre-filter that's in a league of its own. Imagine living in a cozy cottage surrounded by nature. You want to make the most of every drop of rain, and MONJOLIN's advanced filter does just that. It captures even the tiniest particles, ensuring clean water flows into your cistern. With easy installation and low maintenance, MONJOLIN is the perfect companion for any home looking to harness the power of rain with minimal effort. Building a pavilion in your backyard can be a straightforward task, but Biomat has taken it to the next level with a design inspired by nature. This student project uses a unique structure based on algae, where vertical spines act as barriers without needing any bolts or screws. It's a quick, easy setup that's both secure and visually striking. While you might not be able to build this exact design on your own just yet, it's a glimpse into the future of eco-friendly, nature-inspired architecture. Plus, Biomat is known for creating other innovative objects, like furniture and sculptures that blend natural elements with modern design. If you've ever tackled a lawn on uneven terrain, you'll appreciate the genius behind the Walker mower. Imagine this. You're zipping around your yard, mowing effortlessly without leaving any patches behind. Thanks to its tilting deck and flexible frame, This mower adapts to your lawn's every curve and slope. It's like a dance partner that knows all the right moves. And if you're feeling competitive, you could even join a lawnmower race in northern Queensland. Because with a machine like this, why not show off a little? Omelet's EGLU Pro is not just a chicken coop, it's a fortress for your feathered friends. Designed to protect up to 10 chickens from predators, this sturdy structure ensures their safety while offering them freedom to roam. And it's not just about the chickens, Omelet has thought of the owners too, with features like pull-out nesting and droppings trays for easy cleaning. The basic coop starts at $1,777, and with extras like a 13-foot mesh and advanced door, it can go up to $2,063. It's peace of mind for you and a safe haven for your chickens. Drying clothes can be a hassle, especially when unexpected rain hits. But Klifs has taken a simple idea and made it brilliant. Picture a sunny day that suddenly turns gray. No need to rush out to save your laundry. Klifs' drying system automatically senses rain and covers your clothes with a tarp. Once the rain stops, the tarp retracts, letting your clothes dry naturally. It's a smart and simple solution that ensures your laundry stays safe, rain or shine. VIVO Home. VIVO Home has thought of everything for plant enthusiasts who want to grow their greenery not just in traditional garden beds, but also on patios, balconies, or just about anywhere. These raised garden beds on legs can be placed virtually anywhere and are designed to protect plants from flooding, poor soil, pests, and other potential threats. Made from reinforced polypropylene, these beds shield against external factors and prevent any adverse reactions between water, soil, and the bed itself. Assembly is a breeze. Just a few simple steps to set up the frame and attach the panels, and your garden bed is ready to use. Plus, you can even add wheels, making it easy to move your plants wherever you need them. Barbecuing just got a whole lot smarter with Pit Boss smokers. These devices allow you to control the temperature and timer right from your phone or via a control panel on the smoker itself. Although it still requires a bit of human touch to cook the food, Pit Boss has made it easier than ever to keep an eye on things with large viewing windows and adjustable vents. With prices ranging from $200 to $800, there's a model for every level of grill master, from weekend warriors to seasoned pros. Need a garage but don't want to commit to a permanent structure? PVC HALLE has you covered. Literally. Imagine pulling up to your home and parking your car in a sturdy, weather-resistant garage that's as easy to set up as a tent. Don't be fooled by its appearance. This garage is built to last, with an aluminum frame and steel anchors that can withstand the elements. Plus, it's a budget-friendly option, giving you peace of mind without breaking the bank. Nothing ruins a relaxing soak like unwanted guests, whether it's insects, pets, or debris. That's where Blue Whale Spa's covers come in. These innovative covers are designed to keep everything, and everyone except adults, out of your hot tub or pool. The cover folds easily and neatly over the tub, preventing damage and keeping it clean. Just be sure to check compatibility with your hot tub before buying, as the $252 price tag is worth it if it fits perfectly. Cable wells. Managing cables on a worksite can be a headache, but Cable Wells has a solution that simplifies everything. Imagine needing to access a buried cable. Instead of digging up the ground, you simply open a cover and step into a manhole where all your cables are neatly organized and safe. These wells are made from tough polyethylene, designed to withstand almost anything. With Cable Wells, what used to be a chore is now as easy as flipping a lid. For $175, the Brio Base is a simple yet effective way to protect any surface from the heat of your fire pit. Made from stainless steel, it's designed to work on a variety of surfaces, stone, concrete, wood, and more, without causing damage. It's not just practical. It looks good too, blending seamlessly with any outdoor decor. The Forest Master is a must-have tool for any dedicated gardener. Priced at $523, this versatile device functions as a wood shredder, garden shredder, and mulcher all in one. It effortlessly handles wood up to 2 inches in diameter, transforming it into useful mulch with its powerful motor and reversible blades. Plus, its easy-access design makes maintenance a breeze. If you're serious about maintaining a pristine garden, the Forest Master is the ultimate tool for the job. Picture yourself gathered around a cozy campfire on a chilly evening, but something's missing: the warmth. That's where Brio's Deflector comes in. It's a simple yet effective tool that redirects the fire's heat towards you, making those cool nights perfectly toasty. Installation is a breeze, and for just $240, you can transform your fire pit into the ultimate heat source. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the warmth no matter where you are around the fire. Keep your pool safe from debris, pests, and more with Pool Lock's innovative protection covers. Whether you prefer a visible mechanism or a hidden one, Pool Lock offers solutions that can be manually operated, key-activated, or controlled via remote. It's a stylish, effective way to maintain your pool's cleanliness and safety, giving you more time to enjoy the water. For all the outdoor cooking enthusiasts, FRESNO Island Grill is a dream come true. Imagine hosting a backyard barbecue with a grill that has everything you need, right at your fingertips. For powerful burners, an extra side burner, and even a built-in bottle opener, this grill has it all. And with ample space for cooking and prepping, you'll be the ultimate outdoor chef. Whether you opt for the premium $1999 model or a more affordable version, this grill is sure to be the centerpiece of your next cookout. Why not splurge a little, or a lot on the SCANDIT 5, a $155,000 sauna made from Scandinavian spruce? It's not just a sauna. It's a luxurious retreat right in your backyard, complete with full insulation, LED lighting, Bluetooth speakers, and a choice of electric or wood-burning stoves. The interior, crafted from thermo wood and aspen, offers warmth and comfort, making this sauna worth every penny. Flora Felt's innovative plant nooks will transform your outdoor space into a green paradise. Imagine your garden wall springing to life, full of vivid plants that stay lush and healthy with no work. The trick is in the felt panel, where you simply set your plants in the pockets, water them, and let gravity do the rest. It's a simple and practical approach to build a vertical garden that is both low maintenance and visually appealing. Why be tied down to one spot when you can take your grill on the go? The Travel Grill by Napoleon lets you move around the yard, grilling wherever the mood takes you. Imagine flipping burgers by the pool one minute and serving up steaks near the patio the next. With its spacious cooking grate and convenient features, this portable grill is perfect for anyone who loves to cook and entertain outdoors. And at $499, it's a steal for the versatility it offers. Enjoy your outdoor space free from the nuisance of mosquitoes with mosquito curtains. These curtains form a protective shield with ultrafine mesh that keeps even the tiniest insects out. Crafted from durable polyester, they also provide some shade and are designed to endure wind and other outdoor conditions. Installation is simple, with a difficulty level of just 3 out of 10, making it an effortless enhancement for any outdoor area. Deckbox. Lifetime Products knows that everyone needs a little extra storage, and they've created the perfect solution with their deck boxes. Imagine having a place to store all your outdoor gear, from gardening tools to pool toys, that's easy to assemble and move around. These boxes are durable, weather-resistant, and come in various sizes to fit all your needs. Plus, with the option to lock them up, your belongings will stay safe and secure. It's a must-have for anyone who values organization and convenience.